It is amazing what you can accomplish if you do not care who gets the credit. 2. A pessimist is one who makes difficulties of his opportunities, and an optimist is one who makes opportunities of his difficulties. 3. If you can't stand the heat, get out of the kitchen. 4. There are always a lot of people so afraid of rocking the boat that they stop rowing. We can never get ahead that way. 5. A society will be judged by how it treats its weakest members. 6. The only things worth learning are the things you learn after you know it all. 7. The most peaceful thing in the world is plowing a field. Chances are you'll do your best thinking that way. 8. As you get older, you get tired of doing the same things over and over again, so you think Christmas has changed. It hasn't. It's you who has changed.